In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and SiteGround and set up the right hosting path for your WordPress site. If you are building a blog, a business website, or managing client projects, your hosting choice matters more than almost anything else. A slow host can hurt page speed, damage user experience, and make ranking in search results much harder. That is why these two names come up so often. SiteGround and Cloudways are both popular, but they are built for very different types of users. First, it is important to understand the core difference. SiteGround is a managed WordPress host built on Google Cloud infrastructure, and on its standard shared plans, your website lives in a multi-tenant environment. In simple terms, that means your site shares resources with other users, while SiteGround handles the technical optimization for you through its easy control panel called Site Tools. Cloudways takes a different approach. It gives you a managed layer on top of cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS, so your site runs in its own isolated server environment with dedicated resources. Next, let's talk pricing, because this is where many beginners get caught off guard. SiteGround offers attractive introductory rates, but those usually require paying upfront for a longer term, and renewals can rise sharply later. Cloudways uses a pay-as-you-go model, which means you pay monthly based on actual usage without being locked into a long contract or hit with a big renewal jump. Another major difference is email. SiteGround includes professional email hosting with its plans, which is a big advantage for beginners and small businesses that want custom inboxes included. Cloudways focuses on server performance, so email hosting is not built in. If you need business email there, you will need a separate add-on service. Scaling is different too. SiteGround plans are more structured, with limits based on websites, storage, and visits. Cloudways is more flexible, allowing multiple site deployments on the same server as long as your resources can support them. If you want the easiest beginner route, SiteGround is the simpler path. You log in, choose a shared hosting plan, complete checkout, and follow the onboarding process. WordPress setup is largely automated, and built-in tools help you get a starter site online quickly. If you want the Cloudways route, go to their website, create a trial account, and choose Launch Now. Select the WordPress optimized application, choose DigitalOcean, then pick the Premium Server option. Set your server size to at least 2 GB of RAM. Choose the data center location closest to your audience and launch the server. After deployment, open your application settings, go to domain management, enter your domain, and set it as primary. Then go to SSL certificate, enter your email address, and install the free Let's Encrypt certificate so your site runs securely over HTTPS. Finally, review your dashboard carefully. Check that your server and application labels are correct. Confirm CPU and memory usage are in safe ranges, and make sure every